Have you ever wondered what it takes to protect one of the world's wealthiest individuals in today's ever-changing security landscape? Or perhaps you've pondered the staggering costs involved in safeguarding a high-profile figure like Mukesh Ambani, whose net worth is enough to support entire nations? In this video, we delve into the intricate world of Mukesh Ambani's security measures, uncovering the meticulous planning, cutting-edge technology, and unwavering dedication that go into protecting one of India's most prominent business tycoons. Join us as we explore the fascinating realm of security, wealth, and power, and discover the secrets behind the fortress that surrounds the Ambani empire. But before we move forward, I challenge you to subscribe. It will not take you a second to do that. Thank you. Although India is home to many people, the name that often dominates discussions is that of Mr. Mukesh Ambani, the head of Reliance Industries. From the outset, Mukesh Ambani has been the subject of numerous discussions regarding his lifestyle. Through hard work and astuteness, he has successfully managed both his business and family. The Ambani family is synonymous with wealth, ranking among the top 20 richest families globally. Mukesh Ambani consistently propels his business forward through dedication and teamwork, resulting in continuous growth. The extensive security measures taken to safeguard Mukesh Ambani and his family are well known. Living in one of India's most expensive residences, Antilia, valued at over $2 billion, necessitates robust security arrangements. Hence, Mukesh Ambani's residence is guarded by Z Plus Security, a level second only to the Prime Minister's security detail. This level of security underscores its importance, as only 17 individuals currently enjoy Z Plus security in India. Mukesh Ambani's security detail comprises 55 highly trained security personnel, including at least 10 commandos from the National Security Guards, NSG, all skilled in martial arts and equipped with lethal MP5 firearms. Additionally, Mukesh Ambani's wife, Neeta Ambani, also receives high-level security protection, with CRPF commandos providing her security wherever she goes. Ensuring the safety of Ambani is paramount, friends. In 2013, Jet security was provided to Ambani, which was later upgraded to Rate Plus by the Narendra Modi government. When Ambani moves around, a complete security cordon accompanies him, with commandos escorting him and the respective states arranging additional security. The expenditure on the 24/7 security amounts to approximately 50 lakh rupees per month, startling indeed. Apart from this, the security expenses for Neeta Ambani are also borne by Mukesh Ambani, reaching substantial figures. Besides, the arrangements for the accommodation and meals of security personnel also fall under Mukesh Ambani's purview. Ambani not only relies on governmental security but also has his own private protection, including retired personnel from the energy sector, army, and paramilitary forces. All cars in Ambani's convoy are armed and bulletproof, reflecting the seriousness of his security concerns. Antilia, located in Mumbai, stands as one of the world's most expensive landmarks, sprawling across 4 lakh square feet. With each floor spanning around 2 stories, its design can withstand seismic tremors. Antilia's security is also privately managed, with guards stationed 24/7, complemented by a team from the Mumbai police. Reportedly, about 600 individuals work at Antilia, including security guards and other staff, with some holding graduate and MBA degrees. A head servant is designated on each floor to oversee the work of other employees. Ambani treats his workers as family members, offering them handsome salaries and even health insurance for their families. Hence, Ambani's employees are highly contented, given the extensive benefits and amenities provided. As per media reports, Ambani owns over 500 cars and even possesses two bulletproof vehicles, a BMW 760Li and a Mercedes-Benz S600 Guard, underscoring his commitment to security. Mukesh Ambani's dedication to security is not merely a reflection of his immense wealth but also a testament to the responsibilities that come with it. His decision to invest heavily in both governmental and private security measures highlights his commitment to ensuring the safety of himself, his family, and his assets. By employing a combination of highly trained security personnel, advanced technology, and strategic partnerships with law enforcement agencies, Ambani has created a formidable security apparatus around him. Furthermore, Ambani's approach to security extends beyond mere protection. It embodies a philosophy of care and responsibility towards his employees. From providing them with competitive salaries to ensuring their well-being through health insurance coverage, Ambani fosters a culture of loyalty and satisfaction among his workforce. This approach not only enhances security but also cultivates a sense of belonging and loyalty among his employees, contributing to the overall success of his ventures. In conclusion, Mukesh Ambani's approach to security exemplifies a blend of pragmatism, foresight, and compassion. By prioritizing safety, he not only safeguards his interests but also creates an environment where his employees can thrive. As a result, Ambani sets a high standard for security practices in the corporate world, demonstrating that effective security measures are not just an expense but an investment in the well-being and success of all stakeholders involved. Hey there, amazing viewers! If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Your support means the world to us. Also, don't forget to comment on what topic you'd like us to cover in our next video. Your feedback fuels our content creation. While you're here, be sure to check out some of our other videos related to today's topic for more insightful content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.